morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our latest smartwatch. We have here the M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, one of the main feature of this wearable is the wireless charging feature. Okay, so this is the packaging. For those of you who haven't watched the first and second video, so here's the packaging of the M26 Plus smartwatch. Beautiful premium packaging here. This is the user manual here. And of course, we have here the smartwatch itself. Okay, brush finish with the zinc alloy body here. Okay, beautiful slim bezel, beautiful graphics. Okay, watch faces. Okay, and we also have a very responsive menu. Okay, so this time our goal for today for this video is to install the support app. So what is the support app of this app? So let's check it here. So we have here the QR code. So it is using the Wear Fit Pro Support App, available in Android and iOS platform. I think here on the smartwatch you also have here the QR code. Okay, I think it's also available here. Okay, so if you happen to lost your user manual, just look at here, and the QR code is available here in the smartwatch. Okay, we'll show it to you later on. Okay, so let's see about, so we have here the version. Okay, so we're not yet familiar with the menus here of the smartwatch. Okay, so very new. Okay, we just received it, I think, last week. So we will show it to you on our next video. This time, let's concentrate first on how to install the support app. Okay, so in our Android platform, again, this tutorial is for the Android platform. So let's install the support app. Let's check. Go to your Google Play again. What is the app for this one? We have, let's see, the Wear Fit Pro app. So I'm going to search here on the app, the Wear Fit Pro. Let's adjust the screen display so you can see it very clearly here. Wear Fit Pro app. Wear Fit Pro. Okay, let's search. Okay, it's on the ebook. It's all app. Search in books. Okay, apps. Let's go to the correct category. So we have here the Wear Fit Pro app. Okay, so let's install this application. I think the logo is correct. We over have 1 million downloads here, 30 MB in size. What are the details? Let's check. It is available in the health and fitness category. So it is a mix of review here. There's some negative reviews and there's some positive reviews here. So product, developer, we'll see. So Wake Up, the developers Wake Up, they have a website, I think. So let's check and install. Let's see if it works. Let's see if our M26 Plus will be connected flawlessly to the support app. Again, this is the beautiful, very easy to use wireless charging. you can see here, just there's a magnet inside, so it is easy to attach to your smartwatch, and just plug it to your USB, and that's it. Okay, so it is installing. While we are waiting, let's take a look again on the smartwatch. Beautiful design, very comfortable to use, sporty strap here. We have a lot of options and apps. Okay, so we have here the QR code. Okay, we have messaging, we have sports functions here. We have a lot of sports functions, from sit up to mountaineering and other sports here. Okay, we have the crown button. You can use it to cycle on the different watch faces, or can use it to zoom in and zoom out on the menus. Okay, going back to the support app, we already have here, let's turn on the Bluetooth here. Okay, we already activated the Bluetooth. Open the app. So powered by Wear Fit. Okay, loading desperately. That's funny. Okay, let's try. Again, we already activated our Bluetooth here, so we can continuously or connect, okay, our smartwatch without going back again to the settings. Okay, so here we have some permissions. Allow Wear Fit Pro to access this device location. Allow. Okay, enable self-starting permission. I'm not going to turn that on. Okay, so background power consumption protection. Okay, enable push message notifications, turn it on. Okay, so let's activate the Wear Fit Pro. Okay, so where's that? Here. Okay, allow. Wear Fit Pro will be able to read all notifications. Okay, then let's go back. So here, so we are on the UI of the Wear Fit Pro. We have a lot of options here. Blood pressure. Okay, we also have SpO2, heart rate, sleep, weight, and sports record. I just don't like the ads here. Okay, this is my first experience with the app that I see an ad on it. As you can see here on the bottom part. This is disappointing. Okay, I bought the smartwatch, and the developer of the app added an ad here. Okay, I hope they will remove it. Okay, so let's try to bind the device here. Okay, so go to the devices here. Then why do we have an XG here? I don't have an XG device. Okay, so add device. So search Bluetooth function requires you to turn on GPS positioning. Okay, it's okay. Again, go back. So turn on. We already activated it. Okay, high accuracy. Okay, so again, it is looking for the device. As you can see here, it appears M26 Plus. So we have the M26 Plus, and just tap on it, and let's see, do not operate mobile phones and watches. So it is connecting. Congratulations, the match is successful. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have the updated time here. Carry out. In order to accurately measure the data, do not affect the normal use of the app. Please try to wear the watch every day. So we are connected. So let's see. Okay, first, as you can see here, we are connected 95% in power. Okay, for the profile, let's check my scores. Let's see. Set up. Okay, there's a lot of ads. Okay, this app will have a negative scores for me or rating. Okay, let's go to home. Heart rate, let's see. Let's try to activate if they have here the option. No option here. Blood pressure. Okay, there's no option also here to activate. But so far, it has a lot of options, but I just don't like the ads here. So this one, health warning service. So there's a trial, exercise devices here, notifications, wallet, weather. Okay, let's see. Firmware upgrade. Let's check. Is there an update for the smartwatch? No, I guess. Alarm. Business card. What's the business card here? Okay, so you can connect it. So there's a lot of options so far. Okay, that's a good thing about this app. It has a lot of options. Other settings here. Raise your wrist. Okay, 12-hour time. Okay, watch faces. We have a lot of options here. In our next video, we're going to show you the different ways, okay, or different options here for watch faces. Let's see if there's also a custom watch face for this smartwatch. Okay, weather report. Okay, I'm looking for the anti-lost here. Seems like we don't have the anti-lost. Cycle, firmware upgrade, health reminder. Okay, so we have here drink and a sedentary reminder. Okay, so there's a lot of options for the device. So let's try the alarm. 10:53, we'll make it 10:54. Let's try. What time is it? We have 10:53. We'll see. Let's see. In the next few minutes, if we will have an update for the alarm. Okay. What else do we have here? Wallet. What's the wallet? So it is connected also. You can use your smartwatch to pay, I think. Bind the payment QR code to your watch and initiate payment anytime, anywhere. Wow, that's a very good option here. Okay, taking pictures, troubleshooting, favorite contacts for the Bluetooth functionality. Okay, find device. Let's see. Okay, so that's the find device. I don't see any sound. Okay, that's the alarm. So we have some vibrations. I'm just wondering why there's no sound for the alarm. Okay, maybe it's on the settings. You can set it. Anyway, it works. What else? Okay, so that's it for the smartwatch app. The Wear Fit Pro app for the M26 Plus. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch app, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if possible. Okay, so far the negative thing about the app is as you can see here, the ads. Okay, they should remove the ad. I bought the smartwatch. Of course, it comes with a support app. Okay, but I did not agree on watching the ads in the app. We also have here the connected GPS. Okay, if you're doing some sports and you want to map trajectory of your device of your workout outdoors, you can have this one. Okay, and you can activate it. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.